Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Ring doorbell white light not spinning, status light meaning and fix guide. So first, what does the Ring doorbell white light means? Spinning the white light. The doorbell is in setup mode and ready for Wi-Fi configuration. Now white light flashing on a one side. So setup failed or incorrect Wi-Fi information was entered. First, white light flashing around the entire ring. So the doorbell is downloading or installing the firmware update. Now here are the fixes. Fix 1. Charge the battery fully. So remove the doorbell from its mounting brackets. Then connect it to the USB charger using the supplied cable and allow it to charge completely before attempting setup again. Now reinstalling the device and check whether the white setup light appear. Fix 2. Restart the ring doorbell. So disconnect power if the model is hardwired or remove the batteries if applicable. So leave the device powered off for about 30 seconds. Restore power and wait for the doorbell to boot up and check if the setup light being spinning. Fix 3. Manually enter setup mode. So locate the orange setup button on the back or side of the device. Press and release the button once. Then wait a few seconds for the white light ring to begin spinning and open the ring app and continue setup. Fix 4. Perform a factory reset. If the doorbell remains unresponsive, reset it completely by simple pressing and holding the setup button for 15 seconds to 20 seconds. Then release the button after the LED ring flashes. Now allow the device several minutes to restart. Then reopen the ring app and set up the doorbell again. Now the fix 6. Update the ring app. So open your device app store, check for updates to the ring app, install any available update and restart the app and retry setup. And the final fix, check for hardware problem. So if the setup button does not trigger any white light after a charging and resetting, the device may have a hardware fault. So firstly verify that the setup button click normally. Now inspect the charging port and power connection for damage. Then test with another charging cable is applicable, and then at last you can contact the ring support if the device still cannot enter the setup mode. Goodbye.